Hey everyone, ACB Mile 9 here, and I'm going to react to funny cat videos. I'm doing this video because I recently hit 50 subscribers, yeah, and I just think that's pretty great. I got 10 not too long ago, like a few months ago, and I thought that was really cool. So, I guess that's it, and I guess we should get started. I think the last one people liked, so I thought I'd win it. Okay, let's do it. Bang! Ooh. Oh wow, it's really. Oh, that's I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. What is that? There's a cat in there. I guess that cat likes to read. Only he's not very good at it. Whoa, he actually grabbed it. What did we? Oh, he fell. Good job. I guess you haven't learned that you can't do it. There's a screen door. If you didn't know, there is. There's a cat in there. I hate when cats do this, but it's really funny. It's what are you going to use it for? What? Don't open it. Let's get open again. You got it this time. Oh no, you broke it. I like the penguin. Yeah, you're not a dog. Stop acting like one. You're superior. He looked angry. That's okay. What are you trying to get? Oh my god, my cats do this all the time. Only usually they attack my computer. They'll just stare at it for hours. Getting old. Next clip. No. That was water. What are you gonna try? I don't know why it's really funny. Oh, it's sad. Clawing him. That's cute. Are you trying to get on? Do you think does he think it's stable? Please jump in. Jump in. Jump in. Jump. Stop touching it. Jump. Go in. Come on, go. 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 Okay, don't be scared. Man, it's really bad graphics, I'm sorry. Is it in the snow? Oh yeah. I wonder if it's freezing or not. Again. Wait. Oh, my cats do this a lot too. What's this? 2M Media presents Funny Dogs. Oh my god. But Funny Cat, no, it's what? Funny Cat Videos Part 3. Oh, that's better quality. That's not that funny. Come on. Come in. Come in. Okay. Getting old. Really old. Yes. It's so weird sounding. No. Uh-huh. No. ever.
No, 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 no,
No, no, no, no, no, no, no.
no, 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 no.
Come on, cat, get up here. I need you.
No, no, no,
No,
no,
no, no, no, no. You can't. Okay, next clip. Again. I get it. You're a fat cat. He looks like depressed. It's so boring. It's funny. Enough. Next clip. There we go. What? Oh, I love this one. It's like, what? He's like, oh my god. Okay, I'm not that weird. Aww. He's so cute. I want you. Aww. The camera's moving a lot. Okay, I get it. So cute. You can't love though. I love cats. They're so cute. It's funny looking. You must really like that, or you must really hate it. You kind of sound like you hate it, actually. It's like you don't want it to stop, but you don't like it. We just saw this. I don't know what to say about this one. It's cute. Really cute. Hey, Mom. Come watch it with me. Watch it. It's cats. It's for a video. Just watch it. Look.
Take a shower.
Look. It's almost done.
Oh, I'm thirsty.
It's really funny. Yeah. He attacked him.
No brushes.
Why are you doing this to your cat? Yeah. Okay, we get it. You know. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. I guess. Bye.